Hello guys, welcome to my channel English for Dil Se, and I am your host, anchor, teacher, and look guys, listen to my today's topic very carefully because today's topic trending topic. First of all, this is the trending topic, and secondly, this is the most important topic. I mean, if you won't follow this topic, you won't survive not in India, not in everywhere. Just like English today in 2026, you really have to speak English. Otherwise, you can't compete this world. Don't worry, you can't. In the next 2 or 3 years, AI will replace the human. This is the reality check. So I'm giving you, okay? So if you can't able to speak English, just stop it and pack your bag and leave the mountain, okay? But today's topic is the most sensitive topic, the civic sense. Yes, you are heard very right. Civic sense. I mean, today if you are just seeing the trending topic is civic sense. Everyone talking about civic sense. Foreigner are laughing us, and I mean there are a video game of about Indian street, Indian town, village, tier 1 city, tier 2 city, okay, and you can find out easily and everywhere that foreigner are laughing on us just because our civic sense habit. Yes, people using tobacco, people used to eat gutka, khani, pan tabaku, bidi masala. It's all kind of disease, and they are splitting to everywhere, anywhere. I mean, and now it's become overloaded. Yes, now it's become overloaded. So that's why it's alarming situation. You know why these are foreigner protest to their own country? Just because they really want to remove Indian. Yes, this is your glorify. You are not glorify. Just like you are seeing that our media that tell you we already become a Vishwa Guru and all that. No. If you really want to see a reality check, you have to visit foreign. My friends live in London, in America also. So I heard a lot of rumor about the civic sense, and you won't believe in the next 4 or 5 years if Indian behave like this, whole world gonna spread us. Whole world gonna spread us. I mean, so you really have to take care of your clothes, your teeth, your all body management. You really have to manage all your things. Otherwise, it's gonna be very tough. Look, some basic step. I really think so. Government really have to take it. Some basic step, which is first of all this pollution. Yes, in Delhi, if you just seeing whole Delhi is polluted. I mean, AQI is just like hell. AQI is just like a hell. So really have to clean that pollution. And I know in tier 1 and tier 2 city, I have seen a lot of time in Jaipur that early morning garbage a garbage vehicle came and pick up all the trash, okay, in Jaipur. And in not in Jaipur, this trash vehicle in every city. So first of all, you don't have to pick trash in a street. Strictly I'm telling you, don't please. One thing I really good in notice in Mumbai, if you just split and throw the trash, you will get a fine. This step, I think every state, every district government have to step. And just like corona, in corona you seen that police are beating and who doesn't wear a mask, okay. Police are beating to them who doesn't wear mask. So just like, so this kind of strict policy we government really have to take it, that next 6 months no one can't throw the trash in a street, in a and everywhere, okay? Even you can't split this is. And secondly, you have to always clean your clothes. Look guys, you are rich and you are poor. This is the second thing. I'm telling you, this is the second thing, that you are a rich person, you are a poor person, you are upper class, you are a lower class, or you are a middle class, okay? This is the second question. This is a totally second question. First thing, you have to take care yourself. You have to be yourself. This is the first step. So that's why I'm telling you this topic, the civic sense, is the most talking conversation. Look, everyone has to converse, and everyone has to debate this topic, okay? I mean, look, people make the country, okay? I mean, what is the country? What is the nationality? What is the nation? Okay, of course, we people make the all the. If you just seen the movie of Swadesh, what is the concept? We the people make the country, okay? Country is not there is some palace which you call country. What is country? I mean, in country is like, is not a hallucination. Country is not like an illusion. Country is not like a cloud in a sky. Country is a palace which human made, which human make. I mean, we the people of India, and we make to this India country. Okay, this is the definition of a country. So first of all, you are just saying that I love my country. Everyone should love country, and someone will ask you, where is the country? I mean, where is the country? You are standing right now in country. Yes, right now I am standing in my country. This is the country, this palace, this room, this is the country, this the pillar, the mirror, these cushions, and this room. This is the palace which I call country. Okay? So don't worry, I'm your host, I'm your anchor, I'm your teacher. I will teach you each and everything, that how you can describe to the world, how you can watch the world very carefully, how can you watch the world very easily. Okay? Look, you always gonna find two kind of people. First of all, you always find a normal people. Secondly, you will find a intelligent and good behavior person. Third one is mentally challenged person. And I'm telling you can't believe, you can't imagine, guys, you can't imagine how huge number is this. Mentally sick, mentally challenged people. You can't even imagine. And fourth one, genius. So, and I'm telling, and you know what is the meaning of genius? Genius means you are doing just what they need it. Yes, genius, what is the definition of genius? Genius is not meaning that you are left everything, you are go to Himalaya, you are go to mountain, and now you just take no. This is the all the wrong perception. This is the also wrong definition. Genius means you are doing just what they needed for yourself and for your health, your country. And what is the definition of country? I am in India. But look, this is the simple definition. I am India. I mean, what is India? Who is India? I am India. Simple. I am India. So this is, you can, and look, this feeling can rescue it. Only this feeling can rescue it. Otherwise, you always live like a ship. You know what is the ship behavior? If you know what is the lamp, if you just see the lamp, ship, what we call ship and lamp, ship and lamp, these are the two species which always will follow a one path. I mean, whole life they will follow a one path. That's why we call them sheep, lamb, okay, camel, because they don't have brain. They don't have brain. I mean, they are born to child, and they doesn't know why they are born to child. They doesn't know why we are born to child. So that's why we call them sheep, camel, lamp. Okay, and I mean they are just like marrying to someone, and they doesn't know why we are marrying to someone, just because we heard a rumor. Yes, we heard a rumor about parents, our grandfather and grandfather. They told us you should marry, then you should take a child. Wow, this is logic, and they are living that kind of traditional again and again. So don't be live like a sheep, otherwise you live on the hell. Look guys, there is a not heaven or hell. This is the heaven, this is the hell. You will choose. Okay, you will choose. You want to live in heaven or you want to live in hell. It's up to you, it's your hand. No one is someone is sitting there and take your decision. Okay, so yes, just like, share and subscribe my channel, and just give me in comment box and tell me in comment box what your opinion, so I can make a more content for you. Look, my content creation journey will always up to you. I really don't care people are following me or not following. I will do my job every day. Okay, thank you very much.